Okay, YouTubers, I'm gonna show you what the P2076 problem was on my 2012 Chevy Cruze. If you look down in here, you will see a little arm. This arm right here that I'm touching, it comes disconnected at the bottom part down below, right here. And these are the tuning valve control arms, or arm I should say. And if you pop that bottom part back on, down in there, right where I'm pointing, this is an Ecotech 1.8. You put that arm back on, the code goes away. So hopefully this will help some of you, save you from a very pricey repair.